Hi everyone, today I'll be doing a tour of my Stardew Valley farm. So I usually start off my day by checking the calendar and seeing if it's someone's birthday or if there's an event going on. And then I'll check the TV, get a prize or something, and then check out the luck of the day to see if it's a good luck day or bad luck day. And then I think this is the Statue of Good Fortune. It'll give you like an omni geode or a diamond, and if it's someone's birthday, it'll give you their favorite dish. So then these up here, I forget what they're called, but when there's a lightning storm, they give you battery packs. So I have a bunch of them nearby just to get some free battery packs. And then I check the mail if I have any mail that day. And then also up here next to my house, I have the desert obelisk. This will transport you right to the desert. And then I also have the return scepter item, so I'm able to just return right back to my house. Next to my house here, I have furnaces and charcoal kilns, so I can use wood to make coal, and then the coal and the ore I can use to smelt with the furnace. So then up above me here, I have my shed with diamonds in it. I keep this outside of the shed so that I can see when the diamonds are ready to be collected. So you can see all the diamonds inside are ready to go. So I'll go ahead and collect them all now. This is how I get like a ton of easy money. I just made all of these, I don't even remember what they're called, but I made them all and then they produce diamonds every couple of days and it makes you a lot of money. Up here is the bat cave. You can collect fruit in here. I just recently collected some, so that's why I don't have a lot. But if you leave it for a while, you can collect some fruit. Here is my greenhouse. I have ancient fruit in here because once you plant it, it'll grow, I think, every 7 days, just like infinitely. So it's pretty nice to have in the greenhouse because the season never changes, so you're just able to like infinitely have ancient fruit, and it makes a lot of money as well, so it's pretty nice to have. I also have a cute little tea plant that gets me tea leaves. And then as you can see around the edge, I also have apple trees, pomegranate trees, peach trees. Over here, I have my barn with like cows, chickens, sheep, a silo with like an overstock of hay, just so I don't have to keep buying it from Marnie or if she's closed that day. I don't have my pigs here. I have all my pigs down in the bottom of the farm, which I'll show in a little bit. I've got to say hi to all my animals today, make sure they're happy. Down here, I have a little smaller patch of farm. Here I tend to plant things that I need for like a quest or like if I'm trying to do all of the achievements on Xbox. So I have a bunch of, looks like potatoes right now. And then down on the bottom, those peas or soybeans or something. I need like 10, like ship 10 of them to get an achievement. So then beneath that mini farm, I have my pig farm. Truffles are like a great way that I've made like money, because now I have the perk where like everything you pick is like a level 10, or like once you get to level 10 for foraging, you get everything you pick up is iridium quality. So I just have 2 full barns of pigs, and it makes you like tens of thousands of dollars like a day just picking all the truffles. So I go around usually in the mornings and then make sure all the pigs are happy that day and pick up all the truffles. So then down here I have some more sheds. In this shed here, I have like a collection of all of the different gems that you can find. I tend to like sell them after I have one of each. So one of each is in the museum, and then I have like my own little museum collection here. Sometimes I keep some extras. I don't know why, but a lot of them I just sell. And then I also have some extra charcoal kilns in here, as well as furnaces. As you can see, it's rainbow. It took a while, but I'm happy with the way that it paid off. Over here I have another shed. This one has a bunch of kegs in it, so again I keep one outside just so that I know when the wine is ready to be collected. So then I usually go in, see what fruit I have. I tend to put in like the lowest level ancient fruit, and then I sell like the gold and silver ancient fruit, and that's usually the most cost effective. I also sometimes put in fruit from the fruit trees that I have in my greenhouse. So then I just put back the extra, and then any other fruit that I think I might want to put in the kegs later on. Over here I have a little fish pond. Right now I have sea cucumbers in them. I need starfish, but I don't have starfish right now to make the pool grow, so they're just hungry at the moment. But every once in a while I'll harvest them out and then sell them, and it makes some pretty good money. So then lastly, I have a little tree farm where I have taps on the trees, and this is where I collect sap.